Alright, and just doing a wee video on this van here. Using this van, I've done a wee solar job today and cutting some trees down. So hopefully I got enough footage for you to make a video out of it. So let's get into the video here and I'll get back to you at the end. Alright, just going to cut these trees down here. With this hoist, cherry picker. So, cut this first one down here, and then maybe park over here for the next ones. I'll see if I can reach it here with this one first, just so I'm not blocking the road. Should be able to reach it alright. We'll move down there for the next one. Watch the head there.
Good handlers here.
Nice wee view up here.
Yeah.
Go down. I can just get to there. You know, I'll do it good. You couldn't have done that on ladders, like?
No,
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come
Alright, if he's made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up for me. Thanks. And let me know if there's any other videos you want me to do. Thanks.